Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a very interesting video about how to prepare githeri using a traditional African pot. So we are beginning by preparing firewood. Right now we are using a panga to split the wood into small pieces that can be used to light up a fire. Okay, generally in the African traditional way of cooking, we use firewood. Back in the villages, each and every household uses firewood to light up a fire. We use firewood, small pieces, and we use also papers. We also use plastics that can initiate and sustain a fire, like you can see. A cooking place, normally known as a jiko, is made up of 3 stones where the pot is placed. So right now you can see that we placed the pot on top of those stones. Next, we're going to cover the pot to leave it to boil, to let the water boil or at least warm up a little. And then we'll add maize. We add maize because we are preparing githeri, and githeri is a mixture of dry maize. It doesn't have to be necessarily dry, but since it's the African traditional way, we are using the dry maize. Now we are adding the maize into the pot and the hot water. Then we'll cover it for like 1 hour. Now we are sorting the beans so that we can add them into the pot after the maize has already boiled. The reason for doing that is because maize is very dry and hard, and you have to let it at least cook for a few minutes so that it can match the beans. Like when you put them together, the beans will have to cook before the maize. Now the dry maize is already like half cooked, and now we want to add beans into it so that they can cook evenly. Guys, we don't want to have githeri that has cooked beans and uncooked maize, or maize that is not well cooked, right? We want to have evenly cooked maize like it is the norm. Okay, who wants to eat bad food anyway? After adding the beans, we now cover the pot and let the maize and beans cook for like for like 30 more minutes. Beans are already half cooked. You can see that. You see the way they are sort of flaccid. Yeah, that is now the sight of half cooked beans. Right now we want to add some water. want our githeri to burn. So guys, we are so lucky today that one of our neighbors also decided to cook modokoi. Now that we are cooking githeri, wow, seems like we'll be learning to cook 2 different meals today. Keep watching. We keep on adding firewood to ensure that our meal is well cooked with the right heat. So right now, both our beans and maize are almost cooked. We have like 30 minutes to go. You can tell from the way they look. The beans are no longer flaccid. They look so very much turgid. On the other hand, we can see the maize that wasn't seen before because it had sunken down. And now, yeah, wow, we can tell that we are progressing positively. So guys, this is the final product. Well cooked, the traditional way. On the side is modokoi. Let's see how it is looking. Wow, it's also well cooked. So delicious. This is the famous modokoi from Kambani. Very well cooked. Ready? Githeri modokoi. Now that we have our githeri cooked, I want to show you how to empty from the pot your meals from the pot. You can cook meals, not only githeri. You can use the clay pot to cook any meal of your choice. The food, I can tell you, the smell is so nice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. Also share and watch my other videos. See you on the next one. I might be teaching you how to fry this traditional cooked githeri. See you. Bye. Adios.